how to hack a website tutorial. So mind you, this video is actually for educational purpose only. So basically I'll be showing you how to get some hidden files on a website, how to get some hidden links and files of that belongs to a website. So let's move on to our terminal. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to decide on a site you want to use to test. So let me ping so you need to ping a particular site first to get the IP address. So it is to ping, it is ping space add the name of the domain. So as you can see, we've gotten the IP address over here. So the next thing for us to do is let's check the site if there is any open port on the site. So to do that, we are going to use nmap. Let me increase the size of this. We are going to use nmap space -sv with the IP address, that's 192.124.249.157. Then you press enter. So it's still coming up. So let's wait for it, still loading. Okay, so it is downloading. So you see we have a port 80 open, that's for TCP. Then we have one for 443 TCP as well, it is opened. So after that, the next thing for you to do is we are going to use a tool called seclist. We are going to use a tool called seclist. So seclist is actually a collection of word lists. So to install your seclist, that's if you don't have seclist on your system, what you just do is you do sudo space apt apt install space sec list, then you press enter. So automatically it's going to install on your system. Now to confirm if it is successfully installed, you just say seclist -version. So can you see it's actually installed? So the seclist is installed. So after that, the next thing you do is to navigate inside discovery, this discovery over here, this one. Navigate inside discovery, enter. Now we are already inside discovery. Then the next thing for you to do is you do ls. So you do ls. Now this is where we are going, inside this web content. That is where we are going. So navigate inside the web content as well. You do cd web content. Okay, it's capital W because it's a folder. So now we are inside the web content already. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to use a tool called Gobuster. So the Gobuster is actually a tool that is used to find hidden directories and files on a web server using word list. So it is a tool used to find hidden directories and files on a website, on a web server using word list. I hope you got to understand that. So for us to use that, we are now going to use this command. We are going to use this command, which is Ghostbuster space dir space -u space adesfoods.com space -w. This -w is for the word list common.txt. Then this -u is for the URL -b 301. So that's all you need to do. 301. I want to check something here. Have I closed that? Okay. Nevertheless, so Ghostbuster, let me increase it. Ghostbuster dir -u, then you press enter. So can you see starting Ghostbuster in directory enumeration mode? So let's wait for it. Okay, it's saying what is it saying? Error on running. Okay, error on running Ghostbuster, unable to connect to adesfoods.com. Okay, let's try it again. It might be network actually. Still saying the same thing.
Few moments later.
We are going to say Ghostbuster space dir -u, the domain -w space the common.txt file. This one already comes with the what's it called? It automatically comes with the sec list. Then -b. Now this 404 here, I used what is here 404, but if I enter that, it's going to bring me an error saying it only has from 301 to 162. So let's try 301 instead of 404. 301. So can you see it has started? So wow, that's a whole lot of, can you see all these are hidden directories, hidden files. So let me scroll up while that one is still loading. So can you see, if you enter this site now, .co.uk/ any of these directory, so you'll be able to have access to it. So I believe that is very straightforward. Can you see they have /office/pdf/privacy, is there /database? Let me see. Can you see /database administration? Look at the size. Then DMS dump. So you have all these hidden directories that belong to them. So it's still loading. Okay, all these ones are errors. So the tool is actually still loading, as you can see. 487 out of 4,000. So it's going to take a very long while. So with this now, you've been able to have access to their hidden files. So what you just do is open your browser, type the domain / wherever you want to enter to see their hidden files. So I believe the instruction is very straightforward. So if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember the command we used, the last command, Ghostbuster dir -u adesfoods.co.uk/w. That's for the word list, then -b. So thank you for watching. Watch out for the next video.